When you're feeling agitated or stressed, the breath can definitely help you. And with this breath technique, we are going to focus on your longest exhale. We're going to still go for a regular inhale, and then we're going to exhale through your pursed lips as long as you can. When there's nothing else to exhale, that's when you inhale again, and then continue exhaling as long as you can. So let's start. Let's exhale everything out first. And then we inhale through the nose, let your spine lengthen up. And then exhale through your straw or pursed lips. And as you're exhaling, push your belly in. At the end of your exhale, when there's nothing else to exhale, inhale through the nose. And then exhale once again. Trying to make it longer than the previous exhale, or just emptying out your lungs, pushing your belly all the way in. When you're ready again, inhale. And exhale a little bit longer if you can. And we take another inhale. And exhale. Trying to make your exhales quiet after each one. And then when you are done, just take another breath in. And as you exhale, sigh it out. One more just to reset. Inhale. And exhale, sigh it out.